That's really very good.
good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zubair Sheikh.
I'm Zubair Sheikh,
Yes,
not O.
today I'm going to discuss about my past routine. So basically, I had a wake up at 8:30 early morning, and I had brushed teeth, brush, and I had a shower, and I had recited Quran. So I had to make the call and
Recited.
recited the Quran. I had made the calls with clients and had a daily routine of my office work till 5 o'clock, and I had attended the session class of my Cambridge tutorial sessions, and that's it.
Wow, how sweet. Full shortcut, huh? I did not have lunch. I did not play with my children. Wow, superb.
I,
You can just elaborate it, okay? You can elaborate it. For example, whatever you have done. See, I had dinner with my family, then I gossiped with them. Then I had nice time with my friends as well. I had a chat with them. Then I watched the YouTube videos. Then I was working. I had a good meeting with my clients. I had great meeting call with my foreign clients and all. You can just elaborate them in detail, okay? Then I
yes,
went to pray. Then I prayed there for some time. Then I sat for some time in the garden of my society. Then I went to the gym. Then I exercised there. I had some exercises over there. You can just elaborate it, okay, sir?
yes, yes.
Good, keep up. Rohit,
Yes, sir.
have you finished the homework? I'll catch you tomorrow. Don't worry. And I want that homework tomorrow. All right. Now, guys, today I'm going to show you a new tense. And that new tense is what? New tense. What I'm going to show you over here is what? Simple
Perfect tense.
future tense. We have simple present tense, right?
Yes, sir.
We have done simple past tense, right?
Yes,
Now, third tense is what? Simple
simple.
future tense. Simple future tense. Now, when do we use simple future tense? Who can tell me? A little tricky tense, but we can have it here. Yes?
जो future मतलब
You can
future
use will for future.
Very good. It's the formula that we're using will. But when do we use future tense?
For
When
upcoming
something is
upcoming for some
very good. Very
situation.
good. When something is going to start in future, when something is going to occur in future, the future can be after 1 minute, after 10 minutes, after 10 years. It can be any. Yes or no? When
Yes,
something is going to start in future, it can be after 1 minute, after 10 minutes, or after 10 years. All right? That's what simple future tense. Simple future tense is one of the simple tense in English that we are using it when something is going to occur in future, when something is going to happen in future. So it can happen in future after 1 minute, after 10 minutes, or after 10 years. Okay? It can be any. Point number one. As you can see there, simple future tense we are using for simple future tense we are using when something is going to occur in future, when something is going to happen in future. Now, what is the formula for simple future tense? Who knows the formula? Can you please tell me the formula for simple future tense?
verb plus will plus verb, like
Very good. Will plus verb. Verb, first form, second form, third form.
uh first form.
Okay, very good. Now, simple future tense, we have a very simple rule for simple future tense. As you can see over here, we're going to use there I, he, she, it, you, we, they. All the pronouns will use only one will or shall. Will or shall for simple future tense. Okay? Will or shall for simple future tense. The formula is very simple. Noun or pronoun. What do you mean by noun?
Name, place, animal, things,
Correct.
ideas.
Noun means name. Name of a person,
Person,
place, animal, things, and
things, idea.
ideas. Correct? These are what nouns. And what do you mean by pronoun? We have 7 pronouns in English. What are those pronouns?
If we, they, have, she, He,
I,
it,
he,
I,
she,
She,
it, you, we, and
it, they.
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 Okay, so we have these 7 pronouns in English. Noun or pronoun, both are the same. Noun or pronoun plus helping verb. What helping verb are we going to use over here?
Will. What do you
Correct.
think?
Will or
shall.
Would.
shall.
Shall.
Correct. Plus
Verb.
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 वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
First form.
इतना डिटेल में आपको आज तक किसी ने बताया नहीं रहेगा कि वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म लगेगा, कौन से क्या लगेगा. प्लस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ओके, गुड. सो नाउन और प्रोनाउन प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. दैट्स इट. Second thing, how many of you are thinking about this one? Shall and will. कितने लोग सोच रहे हैं shall and will के बारे में?
मैं.
Very good. Will and shall both are the same. Will and shall both are the
Same.
दोनों भी सेम है. कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है उसके अंदर, दोनों भी सेम है. Will and shall both are the same. Now, what's the difference between will and shall? कुछ भी दोनों में फर्क नहीं है, दोनों भी सेम है, कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है उन दोनों के अंदर. So फिर ऐसा अलग अलग क्यों दिया है फिर उसने will and shall? आप लोगों ने अभी तक ये खाली will ही यूज किया रहेगा, राइट? I will, he will, she will, it will, you will, we will, they will. Correct?
Yes.
ये shall का यूज होता है. Where do we use shall?
I or we.
Amazing. We are using shall for
I or we.
I and we. Listen to me carefully, okay? We are using shall for I and we. And will
Use for all.
we are using remaining for all. For example, he,
He,
she, it, you,
They.
and they. Okay, we are using will for he, she, it, you, and they. And we are using shall for I and we. ऐसा क्यों? This is a British system. This is British system that British people, they use shall for I and we, and will they are using for he, she, it, you, and they. Okay, but American people, they are using will for all the pronouns. American people, they use will for all the pronouns. उन लोग कोई भी American people, they use will for all the pronouns. वो सब pronouns के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? Will, 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 will. सबके लिए will लगाते हैं वो लोग. I will, he will, she will, it will, you will, we will, they will. But British people, they use I and we with shall. Now let me tell you in brief the difference between American English and British English. American English is a kind of informal English. American English is a kind of informal English. Why? Because they use short forms. They use shortcuts. If you go there, you will find their wanna, gotcha, gonna, lemmy, gimme. आप लोगों को फुल शॉर्टकट मिलेगा. Yes or no? अमेरिकन इंग्लिश के अंदर आपको फुल शॉर्टकट्स मिलेगा, जो कि शॉर्टकट्स अननेसेसरी है. यू विल नॉट फाइंड दीज शॉर्टकट्स इन द फॉर्मल डिक्शनरी. आपको डिक्शनरी के अंदर भी ये शॉर्टकट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. यू विल नॉट फाइंड देयर लेमी एंड गिम्मी एटलीस्ट. बाकी एक आधे बार मिल भी सकता है, बट लेमी एंड गिम्मी नहीं मिलेगा आप लोगों को. व्हाई? बिकॉज अमेरिकन इंग्लिश इज काइंड ऑफ इनफॉर्मल इंग्लिश. दे यूज शॉर्टकट्स. जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पर हिंदी होता है, मराठी होता है, दो टाइप का होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में मैं जा रहा हूं. करेक्ट? ये अच्छी वाली हिंदी है, कोई फॉर्मल हिंदी. एंड झोपड़पट्टी हिंदी, मैं जा रहा.
मैं जा रहा.
तो जो मैं जा रहा, दैट इज व्हाट अमेरिकन इंग्लिश. शॉर्टकट. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मेरे को मांगता. तो जो मेरे को मांगता, दिस इज शॉर्टकट. And this is what American English. Same case. If I wanted to say this one, see, I want to go there. This is formal English and it is absolutely British English. Formal English, British English. And I want to go there. This is what? American English. Shortcut. Want to का wanna हो गया वहाँ पर. So American English is a bit kind of informal English. So we are not using their American English, we are using British English. But I will teach you both American as well as British English. I'll tell you one more thing. The moment when you are seeing the agreements, correct, agreements होते पता है ना, घर के वगैरह agreements होते हैं, तो आप लोगों ने कभी देखा कि घर के agreement वगैरह के अंदर, अभी जैसे रोहित भाई को मैंने, अभी जैसे उमेर भाई को मैंने एक agreement लिख के दिया है कि नहीं, उमेर भाई को मैंने एक agreement लिख के दिया, क्या agreement बनाया मैंने, मैं उमेर भाई को एक घर दे रहा है, उमेर मेरे को रेंट देंगे, अगर उमेर ने मेरे को रेंट नहीं दिया तो मैं उनको घर से लात डाल के निकाल डालूंगा, ऐसे लिखते हैं हम लोग।
No, sir.
हम लोग वहाँ पे इज्जत से लिखते हैं, ये सुनो मिस्टर जुबैर, मैं उमेर भाई को रेंट पर घर दे
Yes.
रहा हूँ, उमेर भाई मुझे काम टाइम पर रेंट देंगे, अगर उन्होंने रेंट नहीं दिया तो मैं उनके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई करूंगा और उनको मेरे घर से
निकाल दूंगा
प्यार से निकाल दूंगा,
यार।
ये सुनो।
Yes.
तो वहाँ पे अपन एडवांस बात नहीं करते, बिल्कुल एकदम अच्छी लैंग्वेज में उधर हम लोग बोलते हैं, गाली भी देने करेगा तो अच्छी लैंग्वेज में देते। फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूपिड के ऊपर अपन स्टूपिड नहीं बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे उधर, यू डॉल, सामने वाले को ओ मेरे को डॉल डॉल बोल रहा है, ओ माय गॉड आई एम योर डॉल, वाओ रियली रियली, उधर डॉल का मतलब होता है स्टूपिड। वी कैन से पिलॉक, वी कैन से bonkers, we can say loopy, we can say moron, but ये हो गया है myopic, we can say myopic। और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं हम लोग जो कि सामने वाले को टाइटल दे सकते हैं, moron, pillock, bonkers, myopic, we can say pea brain, we can say thin head, we can say fat head, we can say बहुत सारे हैं, गाली का क्लास नहीं है ये। चलो, कभी आप लोगों ने सुना था ये वर्ड्स इतने सारे, कभी सुना था आप लोगों ने स्टूपिड के बारे में? एक स्टूपिड के लिए इतने सारे वर्ड्स है। आज जाने का जबरदस्ती रास्ते पे सबको आके बोलने को यू डॉल्ट, यू पिलॉक, यू बॉन्कर्स, यू लूपी। सामने वाले क्या है, सी माय वर्ड पावर, सी माय इंग्लिश एंड माय वर्ड पावर। लोग बोलेंगे अरे बाप रे क्या वर्ड पावर है यार इसका, आई लव इट, गेटिंग इट। बट उसको अगर कभी उसने मीनिंग डिक्शनरी में चेक किया तो फिर आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं वो। Remember this one. So this is what American and British English. Point number 1. Point number 2. अब ये will and shall का फंडा क्या है? Point number 1, both are the same. American people, they are using will for all the pronouns. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, it will, they will. And British people, they use will only for he, she, it, you and they, and shall they are using for I and we only. Now the formula is saying there, I shall go there. Okay, this sentence is a normal sentence because I के साथ में shall लगता है, yes or no?
Yes.
I shall go there, normal sentence. But if I write here I will go there, so this sentence will become strong sentence. ऐसा रूल बोल रहा है, it is the opposite rule. ये रूल क्या है, opposite rule है. This is called the opposite rule, that if we are using I shall go there, मैं वहां जाऊंगा, it is a simple sentence. और वही sentence को अगर मुझे strong sentence बनाना है, I will put there will and it will become strong sentence. See, I shall go there, normal sentence. I will go there, strong sentence. Same case, same case. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है बताता हूं मैं आपको। he के साथ में क्या लगता है, what do we use? He will,
Yes.
He will.
will, correct, will लगता है, will लगता है, very good. He will go there, मैं simple sentence इसके लिए ले रहा हूँ तो आपके पास समझो। He will go there, it's a normal sentence with will. But if I say he shall go there, it's a strong sentence. Why? Why? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसा इसके लिए हो रहा है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। Let me explain you. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास में दो भाई लोग हैं, कौन है? रोहित भाई, उमेर भाई। अब दोनों को एक नाराजगी है, क्या नाराजगी है? नाराजगी आहे, काय राव आम्ही कॉलेजला जातो, आम्हाला कोण बघतच नाही यार, लड़की लोग भी मेरे को देख नहीं रहे, हेलो लड़की लोग, अरे प्लीज देखो यार मेरे को, अरे देखो कितना भारी कपड़े वपड़े पहन के आया मैं। उमेर भाई भी बोल रहे मेरे को कोई नहीं देख रहा है, रोहित भाई भी बोल रहे मेरे को कोई नहीं देख रहा है, आओ बघा की मला, हेलो अरे बघा की, अरे किती छान दिसतोय मी, जुबैर भाई क्या करना चाहिए उन लोगों ने अट्रैक्शन लेने के लिए?
बातें
यस,
बातें बातें
बातें बातें बहुत अच्छी करते कुछ लोग, और लोग उनको देखते ही नहीं।
फिर
ओके चलो मैं आप लोग को एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ। जनधन योजना के अंदर एक दुकान बनी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, दुकान बने, ऐसे बहुत सारी दुकान है, तो उसके अंदर से गरीब लोग के लिए दुकान बनी थी। एक दुकान मिली उमेर भाई को और एक दुकान मिली रोहित भाई को, वाजिद भाई को भी मिली क्योंकि वो भी एब्सेंट है ना आज, वो भी गरीब हो गया आज। अभी इन लोग को अभी अपनी सबकी दुकान जो जनधन योजना में गवर्नमेंट की दुकान बनी है, all the shops are the same, yes or no?
Yes.
All the shops shapes are same, colors are same, sizes are same, shutters are same, boards are same, सब कुछ सेम है वहां पर। अब उन लोग को उनकी दुकान चमकानी है, उन लोग को उनकी दुकान अट्रैक्ट करानी है, कैसे कराएंगे उन लोग? यस जुबैर भाई कैसे कराएंगे?
डेकोरेशन, इंटीरियर।
डेकोरेशन।
करेक्ट, डेकोरेशन करेंगे, है क्या नहीं?
Yes.
अभी वहां पे उमेर भाई को कोई देख नहीं रहा है, कौन कहाँ पे नहीं देख रहा है? कॉलेज में, आओ बागा माला, अरे हेलो यार कितना भारी टक्सीडो पहन के आया मैं, कोई देखो मेरे को। आपको मालूम है कोई नहीं देख रहा तो क्या करेंगे? कपड़े चेंज, क्या
लुक
करने
चेंज।
का? करेक्ट, लुक चेंज कर डालेंगे। लुक चेंज करेंगे मतलब ही नहीं, अगर आपने किसी लड़के को अगर देखा साड़ी के अंदर, आप लोग देखेंगे कि, "हे, साड़ी पहन के आया।" और कोई लड़की को अगर आप लोग देखेंगे टकली तो, "हे, टकली।" ओह माय गॉड, अरे टकली हो। सब लोग पलट के देखते हैं, यस नो?
Yes.
एग्जैक्टली सेम केस आप लोग को यहाँ पर कपड़ा चेंज करना है। आई का कपड़ा कौन सा है? हैव अ लुक हियर, आई का कपड़ा कौन सा है?
शेल।
शेल,
Will.
एग्जैक्टली, वेरी गुड। आई और वी का कपड़ा कौन सा है?
शेल।
शेल।
Shall.
एंड what are the clothes for? He, she, it, you, we, they?
Will.
विल।
Will. Yes, he, she, it, you, and they. The clothes they are wearing will.
Will.
Same case. If I is wearing its own clothes, shall, so it will be a normal sentence. I shall go there. It's a normal sentence because I is wearing its own clothes. But if I is changing the clothes, I will go there. It will become a strong sentence. Yes or no?
यस।
Same case. He preferred the clothes of Will. It's a normal sentence. He will go there. But if he is wearing shall, another clothes of another one, it will become a strong sentence. Yes or no?
यस।
Same case. If I say we shall,
गो देयर।
we shall, no, let me take one more other word. We shall,
Learn.
we shall study grammar tomorrow. This sentence is a normal sentence. It is like a 50%. हाँ हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, कल हम लोग ग्रामर पढ़ेंगे। We shall study grammar tomorrow. कल हम लोग ग्रामर पढ़ेंगे, मन में आया तो पढ़ेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं पढ़ेंगे। But if I say we
विल स्टडी।
correct, यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर मैंने कभी अगर लगाया we will study grammar tomorrow, so this sentence will become
100।
strong sentence. It will become 99%. कीटाणु मिटाता है डेटॉल, 99%, 1% नहीं मिटाता।
100 नहीं।
So that's what we shall study tomorrow and we will study tomorrow. Both have very different tones. Is that clear? Now let's have a look here. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज। सी आप लोग को बोर तो नहीं हो रहा है ना?
नहीं नहीं।
तो
क्योंकि अभी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स आने वाले हैं तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना है यहाँ पे। अब यहाँ पर अपना टेंस जो है उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। I'm just explaining you the tense how it is. Are you seeing the will and shall rule?
यस।
Very good. Will and shall rule is there. The rule is completely opposite, and the rule is saying we are using shall for in, we only. We are using shall for in, we. Correct?
यस।
Very good. Will and shall both are the
Same.
same. दोनों भी same है. Correct? This rule is opposite. Yes or no?
यस।
ये रूल थोड़ा अपोजिट है। क्यों है, कैसे है, देखेंगे अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर। वी यूज शेल फॉर आई एंड वी, एंड वी यूज विल फॉर he, she, it, you, and they. So if I write here I will write tomorrow or we will write tomorrow. This is the sentence of expression of determination and willingness. Determine कर रहा है, जता रहा है वो. I will write tomorrow means what? मैं लिखूंगा ही. We will write tomorrow, मैं लिखूंगा ही. 99% है. एक आध बार मर भी गया तो नहीं लिखूंगा. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this sentence is what? Expression of determination. Determine कर रहा है वो, जता रहा है वो. Same case. Same case. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिए. दे के साथ में will लगता है कि shall लगता है?
Will.
Correct. Will लगता है. But अगर मुझे जताना रहेगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा? What I'm going to do?
Will.
I'm going to use the shall. उसके कपड़े change. Yes or no? For example, अभी क्लास चल रहा है और क्लास के अंदर अचानक में प्रिंसिपल आया. प्रिंसिपल आकर क्या बोल रहा है क्लास टीचर को? सर, एक्सक्यूज मी, are you seeing those boys who are sitting at the last bench, on the last bench? Wajid, Zubair, Rohit, Umair. बोला हाँ. They shall never pass. They shall not pass. They shall not pass. Expression of determination. वो पास नहीं होना चाहिए. दे के साथ में shall लगाया वहां पे. मतलब नहीं, अगर इन लोगों ने चीट मार के कितना भी भारी पेपर लिखा तो उन लोगों को तड़पा के सर 34.5 पे आधे मार्क्स से फेल करना उन लोग को, पर फेल जरूर करना. समझा?
Yes.
मतलब उसने क्या किया उसने प्रिंसिपल ने? he ordered. उसने ऑर्डर दिया किसको? टीचर को. that they shall not pass. वो जो लास्ट बेंच पे बैठे ना, वो पास नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर वो पास हुए तो सर आपकी नौकरी गई. Getting it? So they shall never pass. वो लोग कभी भी पास नहीं होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उन लोगों ने मेरा दिल दुखाया है. यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. सेकेंड थिंग, अब यहाँ पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है. अभी अपने उमेर भाई, ओके, उमेर भाई पहले चोर थे और उनका दोस्त कौन? रोहित भाई. रोहित भाई भी चोर थे, तो पहले दोनों भी चोर थे. अब यहाँ पे हुआ ऐसा कि रोहित भाई ने क्या किया? रोहित भाई बन गए भी बड़े आदमी. ओके, जुबैर भाई, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes. Yes.
या. सो उमेर एंड रोहित भाई दोनों भी क्या थे? दोस्त थे और दोनों भी पहले थे चोर. नाउ उमेर भाई तो चोर ही रह गए, रोहित भाई बड़े बन गए आदमी, बड़ा आदमी बन गया रोहित भाई. एक दिन बड़े आदमी बनने के बाद में दोनों की दोस्ती वैसी थी, यहाँ एकदम मजबूत कड़क दोस्ती. वन डे रोहित केप्ट अ पार्टी. रोहित ने एक पार्टी रखा एंड रोहित भाई ने पार्टी रखने के बाद में उमेर को भी इनवाइट किया पार्टी के अंदर. है कि नहीं? नाइस किटी पार्टी वाज गोइंग ऑन, अमेजिंग. उमेर भाई को भी इनवाइट किया और उमेर भाई आने के बाद में रोहित की जो वाइफ है रोहित के पास में आई. रोहित को आकर बोली, ही शैल नेवर बी इन्व्हाइटेड अगेन. तुम्ही उमेरला इन्व्हिटेशन दिली, अजिबात तो पुढे पाहिजे नाही आपल्याला. ही शैल नेवर बी इन्व्हाइटेड अगेन. एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन. ही के साथ में क्या लगता है? विल और नॉट?
Will.
विल. बट उसने लगाया क्या?
Shall.
shall. क्यों लगाया shall? Just to make the sentence very strong. He shall never be invited again. वो next time से कभी भी invite नहीं होगा. क्यों? Already 4 चमचे गायब हो गए पार्टी में से. Getting it? He shall never be invited again. वो चिल्ला रही है, देखो उसके ऊपर. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. He shall never be invited again. तो पुढं इन्व्हाइट झाला पाहिजे नाही तर तुम्ही घराच्या बाहेर आणि मी जाणार जुबेरच्या सोबत. Getting it? हाँ, बाद में बोलना नहीं मेरे को, otherwise I'll replace you. So he shall never be invited again. बोलना चाहिए था he will. Yes or no? बोलना चाहिए था अपने को he will, but अपन ने लगाया क्या?
Shall.
He shall. Why? Just to make it strong. Any doubts to anyone?
No.
Any questions?
No, sir.
So very simple it is. बहुत ही simple.
सर,
Yeah.
मतलब ऑर्डर शाल बोले तो से मतलब कुछ तो ऑर्डर दिया नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं
ऐसा.
चाहिए. Very good.
will बोले तो वो मतलब
Simple sentence है.
okay.
Simple sentence है. See, इधर यहाँ पर क्या है? I shall. Simple sentence है. And I will. strong sentence है.
Strong sentence.
Why? Why? Because we are using shall for I and we only, and we are using will for he, she, it, you, we, they. And see, अगर आप लोगों को किसी को अगर इसके अंदर अगर प्रॉब्लम है कि यार shall यूज करूँ क्या will यूज करूँ, क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ भिखारी टाइप के बच्चे लोग रहते, अरे यार ये भी यूज करूँ ये भी यूज करूँ, यार अपना अच्छा अमेरिकन अच्छा था ना. No problem. You can put their will for all the pronouns. No problem at all. Okay? आप लोग सबके साथ में will लगा सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई आपका आके गला नहीं पकड़ेगा. All right?
Yes sir. Sir मतलब हेलो.
या
हाँ.
या
You will go बोले तो तू जायला जा, आणि you shall go मतलब तू जायला पाहिजेनच. बरोबर.
correct. Exactly. Okay, so just have a look here. Now we are going to make sentences with this pronoun. Wajid bhai, where were you?
Actually, sir, out of thought, sir, थोड़ा सा on the way था.
Oh my god, you are becoming now dangerous day by day.
थोड़ा काम का लोड ज्यादा है, पुणे आया हूँ सर, पेंडेंसी बहुत सारी चीजें बाकी थी, वो बिजनेस की भी,
Oh my god.
तो डिले हो रहा है सर सब चीजें.
Meet me tomorrow then.
इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, let's go now. Here, I plus shall. Yes or no? What is the formula for making sentences here? Noun. Noun or pronoun. So, noun or pronoun, I have taken the pronoun. Yes or no? I.
Yes.
Pronoun, I have taken I. Plus shall. Will or shall. So, I have taken shall. Plus verb first form. Verb का first form लेना है. I shall. Okay, I shall teach. I shall teach what? English. Finish. मैं English पढ़ाऊंगा. Simple future tense. Question?
Shall I teach?
I teach English.
Correct. Shall I teach English? क्या मैं English पढ़ाऊंगा? And negative? I
Shan't.
shan't teach English. What do you mean by this one? Shan't.
नाही शिकवणार नाही.
Correct. Shall not का short form है shan't. Okay. Shall not का short form क्या है भाई? Shan't. All right. So I shall teach English. Shall I teach English? I shan't teach English. So what is that short form of I shall? I'll. Okay. I'll teach English. Shall I teach English? I shan't teach English. Same case. I will. Both are correct. So I'll go there. Question.
Will I go there?
Will I go there? Negative.
I will not won't go there.
Correct. I will not का क्या हो जाएगा? Won't. I won't go there. Any doubts to anyone?
No.
Any questions?
No, sir.
भाई किसी को है कुछ जलन कटन सुजन दुखन किसी का कुछ नाटक है? Yes. कान में खांसी पेट में सर्दी? Anyone? Yes.
सर वो SQN है तो उसका S का फुल फॉर्म S stands for
stands for statement, question, negative. ये हमारे क्लास का पुराना फंडा है that we make sentences in all the directions because the moment when my students are speaking they should not fail, they should speak in all the directions. कैसे ही बोला ने तो हमको 6 मारना ही मारना है. So that's what statement, question, negative. हम लोग तीनों साइड से सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. बाकी क्लासेस वाले क्या करते हैं? खाली स्टेटमेंट सिखाते हैं, क्वेश्चन बनाना सिखाते नहीं. फॉर एग्जांपल ये क्या है? कप. इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे ये कप है? This is a cup.
This is the cup.
Correct. Question.
Is this a cup?
Correct. Is this a cup? Negative.
This isn't a cup.
Very good. मेरे स्टूडेंट को तीनों भी आना चाहिए. कुछ भी आया कभी भी कुछ भी बोलने के लिए आना चाहिए. Is this your cupboard? ये आपका कबर्ड है? Or you have thefted? क्या आप चोरी करके लेकर आए? Okay. This is yours. Okay, no problem at all. So you should know how to make statement, question, and negative. Okay. So let's go back here now. Without time pass, I want you to make sentences over here. And today you are going to finish it. I'm going to teach you one more tense tomorrow without a fail. All right. I will teach you a tense tomorrow. So I will teach means what? It's a strong sentence.
I will teach you.
Strong sentence. Correct. I will teach you one more tense tomorrow. So means it's a strong sentence. Chalo bhai, chalo jaldi, faster. Now make sentences with I plus shall. So I'll go there. Shall I go there? I shan't go there. I'll miss you. Shall I miss you? I shan't miss you. I'll regret about it. Shall I regret about it? I shan't regret about it. So you are going to take only the first form of verb. Verb का first form लेना है. Getting it? These are the first form of verbs. As you can see here. Yeah. These are the first forms. First form के अलावा दूसरा कुछ हाथ लगाना नहीं. लगाए तो current बैठता फिर. These are the first forms. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now start.
Take the first forms and make sentences now, one by one. Chalo.
I'll read a newspaper. Shall I need a newspaper? I shan't read newspaper.
I shall cut apple. Shall I cut apple? I shan't cut apple.
An apple.
Oh, sorry. An apple.
I shall beat the thief.
I'll
उसके
drive
बाद
car.
अरे you
Shall I
Ratalu make
drive
full
car?
sentences. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I'll
मैं बोल
drive
रहा हूँ, सो रहा
car.
हूँ मैं.
Shall I drive car? अरे यार.
I shan't drive a car. Very good.
हाँ.
I'll drive a car. Shall I drive a car? I shan't drive a car.
I'll
Yes.
join. I'll
shall-
join organization. Shall I join organization? I shan't join organization.
Very good.
I shall become an architect.
मैं
Shall
बोल
I?
रहा हूँ.
Shall I become an architect? I shan't become
Become an architect.
an architect. Become an architect.
An architect.
shall-
Very good. Continue.
I shall bring a newspaper. Shall I bring a newspaper? I shan't
I shall invite
bring a
them.
newspaper.
Shall I invite them? I shan't invite them.
I'll deploy.
Very good. Very
Deploy
good.
project. Shall I deploy project?
I shan't deploy a project.
I shan't deploy a project.
Very good. Very nice.
I shall deal with client. Shall I deal with client? I shan't deal with client.
Good.
I shall broadcast. Shall I broadcast? I shan't broadcast.
अरे भाई make sentences. एक में को धक्का विक्का तो गिरा विरा के बीच में घुस के सेंटेंस बनाओ. चलो
I
जल्दी.
shall-
Continue.
I shall eat the
I'll-
cake.
I'll
Shall I
host
eat the cake?
seminar.
I shan't eat the cake.
I'll host seminar. Shall I host seminar? I shan't host seminar.
Very good. Continue.
I shall send a mail. Shall I send a mail? I shan't send a mail.
Very good.
I shall sleep early. I sleep early. I shan't sleep early.
Good.
I shall choose the best. Shall I choose the best?
I
I shan't choose the best.
Good.
I'll fight for
I-
chocolate. Shall I fight for chocolate? I shan't fight for chocolate.
Very good.
I shall sing a song. I sing a song. I shan't sing a song.
Very good.
I shall ride. Shall I ride? I shan't ride.
Very good.
I shall fight.
Continue.
Continue.
Oh, now आप
I
सब
shall
पहले
choose
आप.
a flat. Shall
Wow.
I choose a flat? I shan't choose a flat.
Very good.
I'll solve debug. Shall I solve debug? I shan't solve debug.
Very good. Debugs.
Debug.
I shall compare. Shall I compare? I shan't compare.
I shall deal a project. Shall I deal a project? I shan't deal a project.
Madam, where are you?
I'll blow
Very-
candles. Shall I blow candles? I shan't blow candles.
Very good.
I shall pay. Shall I pay? I shan't pay.
I shall build up the
Good.
company. Shall I build up the company? I shan't build up the company.
I'll beat you. Shall I beat you? I shan't beat you.
Very good.
I shall drink a water. Shall I drink a water? I shan't drink a water.
Oh my God. Can we say water?
This
No.
no.
Uncountable.
I'll drink water. Shall I drink water? I shan't drink water.
I shall catch the sentence. Shall I catch the sentence? I shan't catch the sentence.
I
I'll
shall
cut
Next.
onions. Shall I cut onions? I shan't cut onions.
I shall choose. Shall I choose?
Good.
I shan't choose.
I shall a building. Shall I build a tower? Shall I build a tower? I shan't build a tower.
Good. Good.
I-
Shall buy a motor bike. Shall I buy a bike? I shan't buy a bike.
Hmm.
I shall drive a car. Shall I drive a car? I shan't drive a car.
Very good.
I'll catch in catch 22. Shall I catch in catch 22? I shan't catch in catch 22. It's okay.
Nice sentence.
I shall do
shall-
The
the
cost,
continue.
ऐसा cost को कैसे use करेंगे?
I'll cost the project. Shall I cost the project? I shan't cost the project.
मतलब सर
I shall
Yes.
run in the ground. Shall I run in the ground? I shan't run in the ground.
Good.
I'll drive interview. Shall I drive interview? I shan't drive interview.
An interview or interviews. See, whenever you are putting singular countable noun, you should put there a or an. And if you don't want to put it, then make it plural.
Okay.
Hmm.
I shall say English. Shall I say English? I shan't say English.
I'll speak English. Shall I speak English? I shan't speak English. Rohit, where are you? Where are you? Are you in the train? Come,
no
make
sir.
sentences.
Okay.
Yes.
I will come to meet you. I
Lie.
shall come to meet you. Shall I come to meet you?
Yes,
I
brother.
shan't come to meet you.
Good.
Meet you.
I shall
Yes.
lose the match. Shall I lose the match? I shan't lose the match.
Good. Next.
I shall ride a bike. Shall I ride a bike? I shan't ride a bike.
Good. Yes.
I shall meet you tomorrow. Shall I meet you tomorrow? I shan't meet you tomorrow.
Meet you tomorrow. Very good. Next. Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I shall
मैम आप बिल्डर नहीं है क्या? ऐसे धक्का विक्का देने नहीं आता है आपको? ऐसा गिराने बिराने नहीं आते लोग? ऐसे गिराने बिराने का घुसना बीच में मेरा भी लो सेंटेंस.
I shall show a work. Shall I show a work? I shan't show a work.
Very good. Can you please make sentences now with he, she? Jaldi. For example, he'll do his work. Will he do his work? He won't do his work. He'll go there. Will he go there? He won't go there. Next one. For example, he'll. Sorry. He'll. बड़ा सेंटेंस देता हूँ. He'll pull up his socks. Question. Will he pull up
Will he pull up his
his socks? And he.
won't pull up his
Very good. Very good. Any doubts? अच्छा ये सेंटेंस समझा आप लोग को?
हाँ.
No,
सच्ची में मीनिंग क्या होता है इसका?
नहीं.
हाँ. Very good boy. He'll pull up his socks. Will he pull up his socks? He won't pull up his socks. Zubair bhai, Wajid bhai, what is the meaning of this one? Umer bhai, what is the meaning of this one?
I'm not aware.
Wow. Zubair bhai, ये मुकेश कौन है पीछे? He'll pull up his socks means what? He will take an action. Pull up his socks मतलब he will take an action. For example, आप लोग बोल सकते हैं I will pull up my socks. Means what? मैं मेरे पैर के मोजे ऊपर लूंगा. ऐसा मीनिंग नहीं है उसका. उसका मतलब है मैं एक्शन लूंगा. I will take action. I'll pull up my socks now. अब मैं एक्शन लूंगा. अब मैं सबको बताऊंगा and I'll take the action. So I'll pull up my socks. All right? चलो ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने जल्दी जल्दी. Take new words. I'm just turning down. Take new verbs and make sentences now with these verbs. Faster now. He, she.
He will give the money. Will he give the money? And he won't give the money.
Very good. Continue.
He will hurt you. He will hurt you. Will he hurt you? He won't hurt you.
Correct.
He'll took the biscuit. Will he took the biscuit? He won't.
Take. First form.
He'll take the biscuit. Will he take the biscuit? He won't took the biscuit.
He won't
He
take the
will
biscuit.
he
Next.
will grow his career. Will he will grow his career? He won't grow his career.
Good.
He'll find chocolates. Shall he find chocolates? He
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 won't
shall
find chocolates.
find chocolates.
Very good.
He will
She
fly in
will,
the sky. Continue.
she will leave you. She will leave you. Will she leave you? She won't leave you.
She will leave you.
He'll find he'll hide my phone. Shall he hide
Will
my
he?
phone? He shan't hide my phone.
Very good. he के साथ में will लगाइए please. Okay, all of you.
She will forgive him. Will she forgive him? She won't forgive him.
Very good.
He will
He-
give you money. Will he give you money? He won't give you money.
Yes.
She will get the money. Will she get the money? She won't get the money.
Next.
He will
He will
solve
hurt
by
you.
he he will solve this
Will
tomorrow.
he hurt you? He won't hurt you.
Very good.
He will solve this tomorrow. Will he solve this tomorrow? He won't solve this tomorrow.
Very good.
He will freeze. Will he freeze? He won't freeze.
Next. She'll swim in the river. Will she swim in the river? She won't swim in the river. She'll spring. Will she spring? She won't spring. She'll speak now. Will she speak now? She won't speak now. He'll slide. Will he slide? He won't slide. He'll spend some time. Will he spend some time? He won't spend some time. He'll flee from the jail. Will he flee from the jail? He won't flee from the jail. He'll forget him. Will he forget him? He won't forget him. She'll forgive me. Will she forgive me? She won't forgive me. He'll give some money. Will he give him some money? He won't give him any money. She'll grow faster. Will she grow faster? She won't grow faster. He'll hide secrets. Will he hide secrets? He won't hide secrets. She'll keep secrets. Will she keep secrets? She won't keep secrets. She'll know me. Will she know me? She won't know me. He'll kneel down. Will he kneel down? He won't kneel down. Continue faster.
He'll sweep the floor. Will she sweep the floor? She won't sweep the floor.
Good. Yes.
She will fight. Will she fight? She wouldn't fight.
She won't fight.
She won't fight.
Next.
He will wear. Will he wear? He won't wear black.
Very good.
She'll feel under the cloud. Will she feel under the cloud? She won't feel under the cloud.
Zubair bhai.
He will get appraisal after 1 month. Will he get appraisal after 1 month? He won't get appraisal after 1 month.
Very good.
He will know about me. Will he know about me? He won't know about me.
Good. Yes.
He'll take the marijuana. Will he take the marijuana? He won't take the marijuana.
Very good. Yes.
He will take the
He
work.
will put
Will he take the work? He will not take the work.
Very good.
He'll take.
She will put paper after 1 month. Will she put paper after 1 month? She won't pull paper after 1 month.
Correct. And
She will put-
one more. Nice sentence, sir. One nice sentence. For example, I'm giving one more sentence. Please pay attention, company wale log. She will put down the paper. What do you mean by this one? She will put down the paper. Zubair bhai.
Paper डाल दी.
Paper.
She is
Oh,
leaving.
paper dali.
She is leaving.
Ah, correct. Will she put down
Leave.
the paper? What do you mean by leaving means what? छोड़ के थोड़ी जा रही है वो डायरेक्ट रिजाइन करके भाग रही है उधर से. She will put down the paper. Will she put down the paper? And negative, she won't
Won't
put down the paper.
down.
Getting it? She'll put down the paper. Will she put down the paper? She won't put down the paper. Put down the paper means what? Resign.
Resign.
Company
Resign.
वगैरह में use होता है ये ऐसा. So you should know all these things.
Yes.
She'll resign. Will she resign? She won't resign. Yes. चलो जल्दी जल्दी make sentences now. Make sentences.
He will he will win the match. Will he win the match? He will not win the match.
He won't win the match. Next.
He will shine. Will he shine? He
He won't.
won't shine.
Good. Next.
He will climb the mountain. Will he climb the mountain? He won't climb the mountain.
Climb the mountain. Good.
He will
Next.
he will got the gift. Will he got the gift?
Get.
He will get a gift. Will he get a gift? He will not get a gift.
Next.
She will feel bad. Will she feel bad? She won't feel bad.
Very good.
He will show you something interesting. Will he show you something interesting? He won't show you something interesting.
Good. He won't show you anything interesting. Negative
Pardon?
में any लगता है. We use
Oh,
any in the
any,
negative.
any.
Yes or no?
Any.
Yeah. In the negative, we are going to use their any. Chalo, continue.
He will hang himself.
Any.
Will he hang himself? He will not hang himself.
खुद को फांसी लगा के लेंगे. Very nice.
She will hide emotions. Will she hide her emotions? She won't hide her emotions.
Good. Next.
He will tear our sheets. Will he tear our sheets? He won't tear he won't tear our sheets.
Tear.
Tear.
Next. वाजिद भाई, उमेर भाई, where are you? जुबैर भाई.
She will shut the door. Will she shut the door? She won't shut the door.
Good.
He will change drastically. Will he change drastically? He won't change drastically.
Okay. Can you please make sentences with you? You will. Will you? You won't. You will drive a car. Will you drive a car? You won't drive a car. You'll creep on a floor. Will you creep on a floor? You won't creep on a floor. You'll sieve some clothes. Will you sieve some clothes? You won't sieve any clothes. You'll sell cars. Will you sell cars? You won't sell cars. You'll sing in the river. Will you sing in the river? You won't sing in the river. You'll sing a song. Will you sing a song? You won't sing a song. You'll show the presentation. Will you show the presentation? You won't show the presentation. You'll split the groups. Will you split the groups? You won't split the groups. You'll spread some news. Will you spread some news? You won't spread some news. You'll swear him. Will you swear him? You won't swear him. You'll swing. Will you swing? You won't swing. You'll hide. Will you hide? You won't hide. You'll drive a car. Will you drive a car? You won't drive a car. You'll abandon them. Will you abandon them? You won't abandon them. Chalo, jaldi jaldi. Make sentences.
You will find
You will
a
send
sunglass.
the pictures.
Will you find a sunglass? Or you will not find a sunglass.
Very nice.
You will you will show me your photos. Will you show me your will you show me your photos? You won't show me your photos.
Next.
Photos.
You will shut your mouth. Will you shut your mouth? You won't shut your mouth.
You will
Very good.
you will forgive him. Will you forgive him? You will not forgive him.
Next.
You will speak. Will you speak? You won't speak.
Good. Next. चलो भाई जल्दी 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 जल्दी.
You'll take stand. Will you take stand? You won't take stand.
You will spend a time. Will you spend a time? You will not spend a time.
Can we say a time?
No.
No.
You'll spend some
You
time.
will-
Will you spend
you
some
will-
time? You won't.
You will teach
Yeah.
me. Will you teach me? You will teach me. Will you teach me? You won't teach me.
Next.
You will create a mess. Will you create a mess? You can't create a mess.
You won't.
You won't.
Next.
You will hide a file. Will you hide a file? You will not hide a file.
Mr. Wajid.
You will hear me. Will you hear me? You won't hear me.
Next.
You will admit a mistake. Will you admit a mistake? You won't admit a mistake.
You will give
Next.
me your bike's key. Will you give me your bike's key? You won't give me your key. Bike's key.
Good.
Key of bike.
You will conjure the
You
people.
Hold
Will
my
you conjure
bag.
the people?
You
you
will
will
hold
show
my
the
bag.
result.
Will
Will
you
you
hold
show the
my bag?
result? You will not show the result.
Very good.
यार मेरे को बोलना ही नहीं है अभी.
ऐसा पाप नहीं चलता मैम हमारे क्लास में. Continue.
हाँ?
Continue. Make sentences.
You will stand for me. Will you stand for me? You won't stand for me.
You will teach. You will teach them. Will you teach them? You will not teach them.
Will you draw? You will draw architecture. Will you draw architecture? We you you will not draw.
An architecture.
You will not
You will send
draw
a
architecture.
letter. Will you send a letter?
You won't send a letter.
You will send a letter. Will you send a letter? You won't send a letter.
Very good.
You will design my bungalow. Will you design my bungalow? You won't design my bungalow.
Very good.
You will sell a car. Will you sell a car? You will not sell a car.
Very good.
सर वॉन्ट बोले तो मतलब करणार नाही बरोबर ना?
Correct.
You will give your best. Will you give your best? You won't give your best.
Next.
You will fight with them. Will you fight with? You won't fight with them.
Good. Next.
You will
Yes.
speak.
Will you speak?
You will take. You will take lecture. Will you take lecture? You won't take lectures.
Good.
You will stay at home. Will you stay at home? You won't stay at home.
Good.
You
सब
will
fly
speak
को
on a
कैसे
stage.
use करेंगे?
Repeat. Fly.
हाँ.
You will fly to London. Will you fly to London? You won't fly to London. Means what? You will go by aeroplane. That's what in shortcut we can say you will fly to London. Continue.
You will
You-
sit with them. Will you sit with them? You will not sit with them.
Very good. Next.
You will
You
speak on
will
a
eat
stage. Will you
vegetables.
continue?
You will eat vegetables. Will you eat vegetables? You won't eat vegetables.
Next.
You will drink milk every night. You will you
Will you?
drink milk every night? You want milk any?
You won't drink
You won't drink any night.
every night.
You
Every
you will
night. Okay.
fight with them. Will you fight with them? You will not fight with them.
Make sentence with we. We shall we, we shan't. We shall we, we shan't.
We shall fly to London. Shall we fly to London? We
Will she?
shan't fly a London.
Fly to London.
Cool.
Next.
She-
We shall.
We shall sleep early. We shall sleep late. Shall we sleep late? We shan't sleep late.
Take these nouns. Take these verbs now. We shall arrest. Shall we arrest? We shan't arrest. We shall assassinate. Shall we assassinate? We shan't assassinate. We shall accept. Shall we accept? We shan't accept. We shall adore. Shall we adore? We shan't adore. We shall astonish. Shall we astonish? We shan't astonish. We shall accept. Shall we accept? We shan't accept. We shall blush. Shall we blush? We shan't blush. We shall behave. Shall we behave? We shan't behave. We shall admire. Shall we admire? We shan't admire. We shall acquire. Shall we acquire? We shan't acquire. We shall abandon. Shall we abandon? We shan't abandon. We shall communicate. Shall we communicate? We shan't communicate. Faster.
We shall clean. We shall clean the college.
Shall we?
We will agree. Shall we agree?
We shan't.
We shan't agree.
Very good. Yes.
We shall
Will
obey the
accept
rule.
agreement.
Will she
We shall
agree?
shall we accept the agreement? We shan't accept the
We
agreement.
will capture.
We will.
We will capture. Shall we capture?
We shan't.
We shan't capture.
Next. Mr. Wajid.
We shall arrive. Shall we arrive? We shan't arrive.
Next.
We shall approach them. Shall we approach them? We shan't approach them.
Next.
We shall adore them. Shall we adore them? We shan't adore them.
Good. Next.
We shall capture the business. Shall we capture the business? We shan't capture the business.
Good. Next.
We will admire.
We
Will
shall
we,
clear.
shall we admire? We shan't admire.
We shall climb mountain. Shall we climb mountain?
We shan't climb a mountain.
We
Shan't
shall
then
we
climb
shall
a
chat
mountain.
with client. Shall we chat with client? We shan't chat with client.
Clients.
We shall
Next.
change the system. Shall we change the system? We shan't change the system.
Next.
We shall charge.
The phone.
We shall
Surplus से use करेंगे इसको.
We shall charge the phone.
हाँ.
Shall we charge the phone? We shan't.
We shan't charge the phone.
Next.
We shall fix meeting with client. Shall we fix meeting client? And we shan't fix meeting with a client.
Next.
we shall arrive on time. Shall we arrive on time? We shan't arrive on time.
Next.
We shall ask the question? Shall we ask the question? We shan't ask the question.
Next.
We shall attend the training sessions. Shall we attend the training session? We shan't attend the training session.
Good. Next.
We shall abolish the matter. Shall we abolish the matter? We shan't abolish the matter.
Next.
We shall acquire the property. Shall we acquire the property? We shan't acquire the property.
Next.
We shall follow the act. Shall we follow the act? We shan't follow the act.
Very good. Next.
We shall charge the laptop. Shall we charge the laptop? We shan't charge the laptop.
Very good. भाई बाकी लोग कहाँ गए? Make sentences please faster.
We shall close the work. Shall we close the work? We shan't close the work.
Next. Next.
We shall admit you. Shall we admit you? We shan't admit you.
Next.
We shall abuse them. Shall we abuse them? We shan't abuse them.
Next.
We shall compare with the best. Shall we compare with the best? We shan't compare with the best.
We shall attack. Shall we attack? We shan't attack.
Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
जलन कटन सुजन दुखन भाई किसी का कुछ नाटक है
No.
रहेगा तो बिंदास बोलने का अपने का ओके बिंदास alright now today we have finished here our simple future tense only two pronouns are remaining it and they okay we are going to continue this tomorrow and I'm going to teach you one more tense tomorrow please don't be absent alright and I'm really sorry for today we'll be on time 4:45 tomorrow alright
Yeah.
cheerio please practice at home and watch the recordings and if you have any other friends who want to join classes I'm going to start a new batch in the next month so please tell them to join okay your girlfriends your boyfriends आजू वाला बाजू वाला काम वाला सबको बोलो all right
Yes, sir. Yes.
we'll see you cheerio
Voyage.
Well said.
voyage